Hello once again ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this episode of E30 M3 Recreation. This is a shorter than usual episode just to keep you in the loop of what's happening with the car. In this episode we are at the wiring shop.
Hello, Spencer from BMP Conversions. So as you can see, the car has made it successfully to the electricians. It's been a long haul. Obviously we've had a lot to do, but the electrician's now getting his head around all the wiring that needs to be done on the car and the way we want the wiring done. So obviously all the electrics need to be fully sorted out. The plugs need to be found where they belong. All need to be put in their home. All the electrics need to be sort of tied back in position where they originally laid. You can see there's quite a large job involved in rehoming the entire loom. But yeah, so he's got his work cut out for the wiring loom itself. Obviously with this build, what we're going to be doing is bringing the ECU into the glove box area. So the bulkhead area will have a new hole drilled in it and a grommet, and we'll run the wires for the ECU from the engine into the glove box area. We'll then run the engine connection from the C101 plug. We'll run a few wires through that plug as well. We'll obviously have a brand new loom for the throttle pedal wired up directly to the ECU. So the C101 plug, we've got a piece of offcut so that he can wire into that too. But yeah, he's now getting ready for the in-depth sort of wiring for the engine itself and the ABS system. So we've got to obviously run wires from all the ABS sensors themselves, from the axles to the ABS ECU, wire up the ABS ECU also, and wire up the ABS module to the ABS unit. So there's a fair bit to do for the next sort of 2 to 3 weeks. So yeah, I think he's got all his wiring and pin terminations on the wall there ready. He's got his list of bits and bobs that need to be done or questions that need to be asked. And this is Andrew himself. Hello. So there we go. Yeah, mad enough to take the conversions on. So that's the man who does all the wiring for every single build that we build at BMP Conversions. So if you need any help or any expertise in wiring, please contact him. He can wire up nearly anything and everything. His name is Andrew Stockley, but his company is Elettrica. You'll find him on Facebook.
In the next episode, we hope to be firing up this car for the very first time. So if you're not a subscriber, please consider and browse the CarLube channel. In this episode, we will demonstrate how a BMW M3 4-litre V8 sounds with a Pops and Bangs ECU map. The M3 in this video also has a custom 2-pipe OEM exhaust mod and decats. I'm sure after watching this video, you will agree it sounds spectacular.